Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nilofer Rasuli, and guess what? This is our fourth video together on Learn with Nilo. So big shout out to those who've been here since day one, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy and thrilled to have you guys here with me. And thank you everyone for all the comments, likes, and subscribes. Your support means a lot to me. And in case if you've missed my earlier videos, no worries. I have covered cool stuff like introduction about Python, what is Python, why do we use Python, how to use Python, and variables. So you can check them out whenever you've got the right time. Now let's cut to the chase. So we're talking in today's video about data types. So what are data types in Python? Basically, data types represent the different kinds of values what we store on the variable. So each data type has its own purpose and rules that help you work with different kinds of information in your Python programs. So as you already know about the data types in other languages, but you have to keep this in mind that in Python, we do not need to specify the data type explicitly because Python is a dynamically typed language. Python has its own interpreter, which at runtime, based on values, the type of the values will be defined. Now, I will be talking about the mutable and immutable data types in Python. So basically data types are categorized into two categories, mutable data types and immutable data types. Mutable data types are the data types that are changeable. It means you can just update the value, add, or as well as delete. But immutable data types are a different case. So in immutable data types, you are not allowed to bring any changes at all. So in this video, I'll be talking about some of the immutable data types in Python. The very first one is int or integer. So for example, let me just give a very simple example. A holds the value 5. So I don't know either A is integer, a floating number, or whatsoever. So I will just ask Python to recognize for me what is A based on the data type. So I'll just print the value A and I'll just check the type or the data type of A based on a built-in function called type. So type A. Now let's just check the output, what the output shows. Yes, the output shows that 5 is integer. And the next immutable data type is float. So for example, b equals to 4.5. This is a floating number. Now for more information, I will just try to just print this and find out which type of data type it is. So b, and using the built-in function type b. Now let's just check this. Yes, 4.5, that belongs to floating number. And as well as there is a data type called complex. Complex has two parts, main part and as well as imaginary part. So in this, for example, this is a complex data type 3 plus 4j. Now I will just print this C, print C, and I will use the built-in function type to check the data type of variable C. So yes, this is data type which belongs to the complex data type. Now moving towards another immutable data type, which is a string. So I will just give a very simple example for this. For example, name equals to Nilofer. Suppose now I will print this name, and we'll be using the built-in function type name. This is very simple as it seems to be. So I think there is an error with this. Sorry, I forgot to just give the correct spelling for print. Now let's just check this. Yes, Nilofer belongs to the data type string. So yes, that's it for today. These were the immutable data types in Python. And for your information, at last, I will just give a brief introduction to these immutable data types. Immutable data types are the data types that cannot be changed after curation. For example, A equals to 5. So this is an integer. You cannot change it at all after being created. So yes, that's it for today. And until next time, see you guys in my next video, and happy coding.